Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're working on this 1952 Land Rover. It's a classic, and we can't seem to get it to start. We've replaced the distributor. We've put light bulbs on every single cylinder so we could see if the spark plug has spark. We've rebuilt the carburetor. We put a new fuel pump, SU, and it's still not going. Now, let me show you what it looks like here. We go ahead and we turn the key switch so the fuel pump primes. You could hear that priming. S for start position here. And then the push button is here. Take a look. What do you guys think it is? Anybody have any suggestions? If everyone knows,